Hi guys, how are you? I am Junaid. You are watching our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create navigation bar. So let's move on our topic. First of all, we will open VS Code. This is our project that we have created in last video. So now we will run this project first of all. We will write command python manage.py run server. So project is in running position. Now we want that we have a navigation bar on the top of page, mean that navigation bar is displayed in the top, then we will place any content in the page. So we need to add code here. So we go to Google browser and search bootstrap navbar. This is the official website of bootstrap. You can copy any code that you want. There are built-in things are available. So we want that a navigation bar, so we will copy the code of navigation bar, paste here, save it and refresh the page. So we have not added CDNs. Now we add CDNs. CDN means the libraries that link with the this application for copying built-in things. So this is the CSS library, CSS link we add here in the header section. Now we add JS links. CDNs are added. Now we refresh page. Yes, you can see that there is a navigation bar and these are multiple attributes of this navigation bar. Now you can add other pages like contact us, about us, home, dashboard, or any other page. So this is the home page. We add link of home page so that we can click on this and it will redirect to this home page, or we will create an about us page in this video and also add the link here so that we will when we will click on about us, it will redirect to about us page, or we will click on home page, home attribute, it will redirect to home page. So now we add the link URL in the home page. So this is the home page URL place. So its syntax is that curly braces, double percentage sign, URL and single quotation. Here we will write the URL name, that is home. Now we refresh it. It is creating problem that it is not a URL. Okay. What are the problem? space, and that space was missing. So now it is the home page. You can see that this is the URL, and when we will click on home, it will redirect to home page. If we click on feature, it will not redirect on any other page. So now we create another page with the name of about us so that you can clear your concept. Page name is about us dot html. Now we copy the code of home page and paste it in the about us. Now we change the name about us. Okay, we have created about us.html, but we didn't call in the URL, and we have not created any function for calling about us. So first we create path about us and view dot about us, and name is also about us. Okay, path is created. Now we create a function for calling about us page. This is the function name, and now we will create return statement for about us. Now function is created. First of all, we check that is it working or not. So we copy about us and paste it here and enter yes. About us page is created. But now we need to create it dynamic so that we can click on feature or price or disabled or home, then it will redirect to about us as it is redirected to home. So we need to add about us and need to paste URL about us. Okay, and also copy this and paste it here, and its name is about us. Now save it and refresh it. Okay, it is about us, and when we will click on about us, it will redirect to about us. When we will click on home, it will be redirected to home. So today we will learn how to create navigation bar in Django. If you have any question in your mind related to this topic or previous topics, you can ask in the comment section. Hope so guys, you will like our video. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon so that you can get notification for our new video. Thank you.